Hey guys, welcome back to the Stolen Valor Watch channel. Today I got a Cartier in need of a battery swap. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, now first things first, we're going to open up that bracelet and grab my ring of screwdrivers. That's a Phillips. We're going to want a flathead. And this is the flathead I picked out for today. Fits right in there nicely. I'm just going to go counterclockwise to release the bracelet screw here and then use my pliers to pull that out. If you are interested in any of the tools that you see me using today, they are all just from AliExpress online. Comment down below and I'll be happy to share you everything that I got and where I got it from. Opening up the case back here is actually very nice. No special tool required, just the exact same flathead screwdriver. Removing the case back with the same pliers, I'm going to come to discover what type of battery we're looking at.
Oh, wow.
Pulling the battery out again with that same flathead screwdriver. This is quite an easy watch to replace the battery in. Same pliers again. We have a SR62-1SW, and as you can see here, I have an AG1 watch battery, which is the equivalent for that.
AG1, the supplement.
I have my new battery here, and just so I don't confuse myself, I'm going to put that down and toss the old one away. Placing my new battery back in again using the same tweezers as before. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a push down. Now flipping the movement over and the watch carefully, I'm going to make sure that that battery is good to go, and as you can see, we're ticking away. Now removing the O-ring here is a smart idea just in case it's sitting incorrectly. What I'm going to do is flip the case back over, try not to lose those screws, which I totally didn't do and had to cut out 5 minutes of footage here looking for that one screw right there. Moving the screws all back together there, I'm going to flip the case back over. Sliding the O-ring on here. Now I did give it a quick grease already, just off camera.
Grease lightning, go grease lightning.
Now putting the case back on. Again, very easy watch to do. Clicks right on there. And I have 4 little flathead screws to reinstall. Tightening up opposing corners like you were doing a tire or any other mechanical equipment. Probably not necessary, but it makes me feel good.
Oh yeah.
Now just putting the watch band back together, putting those links together till the screw goes through, tightening that up. And thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep scrolling, keep fucking scrolling. I'm not your dad.
Halt just a minute. Stay.
Stolen valor.